day number 5. We're off to Hella, go see the caves and a few other waterfalls, so let's go. Look at that view. And it's my birthday.
We start this video off by going to Hella Caves. The history of the caves is kind of a mystery. 2 stories, either made by pre-Viking Celtic monks or Nord settlers who began arriving in 874 CE. They now use one cave for smoking lamb meat, which you can see me eat in this video. Okay, so we got traditional smoked lamb. Now you can eat it like this. I thought it was raw, turns out it's not. So it's going to be like chewy beef jerky, but lamb.
That is so weird. Not sure if I like that or not. It's like really, really smoky. I thought it'd have like a little mintiness to it, but it doesn't. Let's try another bit. So this is traditional Icelandic food, this is.
Waterfall is a small beautiful waterfall with a vibrant blue water due to the glacier water and minerals of the water, with a stunning backdrop of the mountains.
So many waterfalls on this trip. I really like this one. It's really nice. So the food here comes straight from the greenhouses to your plate. I'm recording on my phone because, you know, I'm going for food. I'm not going to take my massive camera with me, but yeah. So they're growing all their tomatoes.
Then for lunch we go to the famous tomato soup place. You can eat in the canteen, but if you have time, go to the bistro. You get a lovely experience. It's a bit more pricey, but the atmosphere and food is incredible, and it makes a really nice cheesecake. Gullfoss is a massive waterfall fed by the glacier water. It's a major tourist attraction. You can see some days a rainbow which is created by the spray in the sunlight. It was one of my personal favourites.
So I just pulled up and just found this little abandoned shack. But look at this view. Stunning.
We then go to this lighthouse onto the way to Vic. In the summer months you can see puffins here, but be prepared because it's very, very windy up there.
this is day number 6. We've just been to see some more puffins. It was so windy out there, so I didn't bother speaking. It was awful. We're now heading off to Vic, so let's go. Now we're on one of the most dangerous beaches in the world because of this. Sneaker waves. So it's flash and amber. Pretty cool cave. The lighting's terrible today though, like the sun is there. So yeah, that's the best I can do.
The pillars you see here by the cave, they say that they helped with the design of the church in Reykjavik. Vic Church is a stunning location, so picturesque. It was built in 1934. The church itself is built on a high hill in case of floods, so residents had somewhere to come for shelter, making it the hub of the community.
So we're currently at Vic Church behind me, in the fields. These pretty little flowers are here. We just stopped off at Black Crust Pizza, stopping off here 5-10 minutes, then we're going to head off to a waterfall and some glacier.
We then head to Black Crust Pizza. They use activated charcoal in its dough to give it this black crust.
Has so many amazing waterfalls. You probably can't hear me, but look at it. That was just a little stop off, just to stretch my legs. Now going up to Diamond Beach. Look at this landscape. Unbelievable. You wouldn't think it's real. You really wouldn't think that this is real.
The Glacier Lagoon you see is a relatively young one. It was formed in the 1930s. Since then, it has quadrupled in size and has become the deepest lake in Iceland.
So this is in summertime, this is June that we're here. I imagine in the winter this is full of all these mini bergs. I think this might be my favourite thing I've done here. Yeah. So we're at a glacier, look at that, right behind us. These are the icebergs, this is incredible. I love this. So what we have here are 2 abandoned whale hunting boats. Look at these abandoned boats. So there's no way on, but I don't care, they still look nice. Very nice.
The 1986 Hvala sinkings occurred in Iceland Reykjavik harbour in November 1986 when anti-whale activists from the Sea Shepherd Conservation Society sank the unoccupied vessels Hvala 6 and Hvala 7 and sabotaged a whale processing station. The ships were two of the nation's fleet of 4 and were eventually raised but have not gone on a whale hunt since and were dragged onto dry land.
Some of Iceland's history, which they're trying to erase now. They're trying to stop whale hunting in this country, which is good. As of now, there is only one company that does it. It is them. Hvala. I think that's how you say it. They're the only company that do it now, but at least it's only one company and not 20.
So right here we went back to Valdez and I got rhubarb skier and Kinder Bueno and some chocolate sauce. Yum! Sky Lagoon is probably the best place to go if you're a couple for a relaxing few hours before your flight home. It opened in 2021 and guests love the 7-step ritual. The pool itself is an infinity pool overlooking the sea with an Icelandic landscape around it, which also has a mini waterfall.